You security? For sure.
Extra nothing. Original, how it comes.
What the fuck? We need a pizza, bro.
You security? For sure. Walk in here with this shit.
You fucking left him. Look at him. He didn't leave us and he's hiding. He's clearly hiding. What the fuck? We need a pizza, my nigga. You're in the corner.
My knee hurts.
Waiting for this pizza, my nigga.
You already ordered?
Yeah.
You already ordered? For sure. Great. Great. This is fantastic. You already ordered.
You already ordered? Yeah, I already ordered. Hey, get up out here, man. Text shit. Manager now, dog. Hey, take me out there, bro. Take me out this part. I'm manager. He a manager now, bro. I'm a manager. Corporate America, I'm a manager, man. You can't do wrong. I got it. Hey, what's your favorite one? What's your favorite one?
195. I'm feeling naughty, guys. No. I also take.
Green machine looks fire.
Hey, is the green machine with pesto? I'll take a green machine.
Can I get another one? I want to see these guys.
I'll get 2 of those.
Got some down here.
Can I get a drink of water? Sea white?
Better sweet, nice.
What's your AK?
I'll get a couple.
You fuck with the pizza, but you ain't gonna buy their merch?
Nah, I don't fuck with them enough for that. Like I said, last time I came around through us, but I'm gonna see what's up with it today. I normally fuck with the TNT pizza down the street. You know what I'm saying? But they got the same little shit going on. They got the deep dish pizza too. But I'm gonna see what's up with these niggas one more time, give them a chance.
Did you hear what he said?
What he said?
He said he threw up last time fucking with that pizza.
Talking with the pizza? And he's back today? Jesus.
I'm gonna give them a chance, see what's up with it.
Do you feel like it was something else that made you so well?
Probably was, so I'm gonna see what's up with this shit.
Were you drinking?
Nah, I was at work. Came back on my lunch break.
So you're sober, you just threw
I
up?
was sober. Sober and go for it.
Could be COVID, fellas.
He can't mess with no pizzas. Oh, I can't eat cheese looking ass.
Hey,
Shit ain't good for you anyway, bro.
that's a real man of God right
I
there.
mean, it's fire though. I ain't gonna lie, that little honey drizzle, extra honey drizzle on that motherfucker.
Our bodies was not meant.
My bodies wasn't meant to do a lot of stuff, but niggas be doing shit.
You ain't supposed to eat that shit though.
You ain't supposed to smoke
See,
weed.
dairy.
You're not supposed to smoke that tobacco.
Yeah, you don't be smoking weed at all. Smoking is a bad thing, but niggas do it. Niggas hit licks and niggas do it. Niggas hit licks.
Strong desire, man.
Woo! Extra honey drizzle, man. Always fuck around. I'ma fuck around.
Extra nothing. Original, how it comes.
You need population control. There's too many people up in there. You know, too many people start moving around elbow room, boom, bow, bing, shit happen. Feel me? I'll be in there if I was
Can I get a taste test?
Yeah, my bad, B. Shake hands, brother, my bad.
Can I get a taste test, Art? I'm sorry, you gotta be on. You gotta be on. You gotta let me know. Real honest.
record this time, Black.
I will.
Where we at with it?
After I get the honest review.
What is it? What it's like? First of all, what did you get? What did you get?
He said 3 bites. He said 3 bites and then I get it.
All right, look. This ain't fucking with TNT.
Can I get an answer?
A little heavy on the black olives. Overall, I'll give it about 7. I'm looking forward to trying the next slice, man.
Okay. Can I get an honest review?
Hold on, wait. Before Thomas
Give it about
Thomas is ready to eat since we got downtown.
give it about an 8 out of
Thomas is ready
10.
to eat.
8 out of 10. He said it might jump it up to 10.